Here I have VIVO V20, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data from this device. So firstly, you have to open your internet browser, then tap here, go to the history, then tap clear browsing data. Then you have to select time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or all time. Then you have to select data formats which you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies inside data, cached images and files, and then just tap clear data. And after that, history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.